What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar, and today we are gonna go back, way back to the 1930s to Harry Craddock's Savoy Cocktail book for a little cocktail called the Palmetto. Now, the Palmetto is essentially just a Rum Manhattan. What makes Harry Craddock's version so unique is that it uses St. Croix rum, which is no longer available to us. Now, there are other rums available from St. Croix, like Cruzan, but apparently it's a very different style of rum. As a matter of fact, cocktail historian David Wunrich described the rum as light-bodied like a Cuban rum, grassy like a Martinique rum, and funky like a Jamaican rum. Now, if you fast forward to modern times, Paul McGee, who was co-owner of the Lost Lake in Chicago, decided to remake the Palmetto cocktail using David Wunrich's description of the St. Croix rum. And that's what we are gonna do today, folks, right? But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, let us look at what is in the sauce for Paul McGee's updated version of the Palmetto cocktail. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need is an aged Barbadian rum. I'm gonna be using Plantation 5, right? Okay, and then you're gonna need a half an ounce of a Rum Agricole style rum. I'm gonna be using Barbados 8. I almost forgot what year it was, but it is an 8, all right. And then we're gonna do a Jamaican rum, an aged Jamaican rum, and I'm gonna be using Smith & Cross, all right. Beautiful. So all of these are gonna add very different notes to the cocktail. Again, more of a light body, but still aged Barbadian rum. Then you have your very grassy Barbacoa rum here, which is a Rum Agricole style rum, and then very, very funky Smith & Cross rum, okay? And then you're gonna do 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. I'm gonna be using Carpano Antica. You should use whatever you have. And then we're gonna do 1 dash of orange bitters, and 1 dash of Angostura bitters, all right? So now let's go ahead and add ice to our mixing glass. Ice overboard. And you're gonna wanna stir that for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred this bad boy up enough. Yummy. All right, so I'm gonna push this to the side, and then we're gonna get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a coupe, which I've had chilling like a villain. Let's go ahead and pour this bad boy in. Beautiful amber color. You guys know I love oh so much. Always a work of art. And then you're just gonna take an orange peel and you are gonna express them oils, rub the rim for some good luck, and then this guy. All right, folks, and there we have it, Paul McGee's updated version of the Palmetto cocktail. All right, let's go ahead and give this Palmetto cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. The orange expression on top automatically just gives it a nice bright flavor. You get a nice balance of the grassy notes and the funk from the Jamaican and the Barbacoa, the Rum Agricole. It's a nice balance. I think that adding the Barbacoa there as kind of a light body, but you know, aged to add a little bit of caramel and vanilla helps to really balance out the other two rums. Really, really nice. Oh yeah. That is a deliciously elegant Rum Manhattan. Now look, I obviously don't know what the original St. Croix tastes like, but I will take David Wunrich's advice as correct. But I will tell you that this here, Paul McGee's specs are absolutely delicious. And if you have these styles of rums at home, you should absolutely give it a try, right, folks? Anyway, look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. And when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.